Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Microsoft 365 security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the official Microsoft 365 website. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, locate the Admin Center from the available options. In the Admin Center, find the Security option in the left-hand menu. Click on Security, which will direct you to the Microsoft 365 Security Dashboard. Once in the Security Dashboard, look for Policies to manage your security settings. Select Security Policies from the list of options. Here, you will find different types of policies, including threat management and data loss prevention. To configure a policy, choose the specific type you wish to edit. Click on Edit to modify the selected policy settings. Adjust the settings according to your organization's security requirements. Be sure to review each section thoroughly to ensure comprehensive coverage. After configuring the policy, click Save to apply your changes. Next, navigate back to the Security Dashboard. Select Alerts to set up notifications for any security events. Here you can create and manage alert policies for monitoring purposes. Click on Add to create a new alert policy. Follow the prompts to specify the type of alert you want to receive. Customize the alert conditions and select the recipients for notifications. Once you have configured the alert, click Create to finalize it. Now, return to the main dashboard and explore Reports. Utilize the Reports section to gain insights into your security status and any irregularities. Review the pre-built reports available or create custom reports tailored to your needs. Regularly check these reports to stay informed about potential security issues. Finally, ensure to document any changes made for future reference. You have now successfully downloaded and configured Microsoft 365 security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.